Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Pancakeswap. What's the current price of Pancakeswap? What's the price is open the Pancakeswap in this video? I will show you, my friends, and you know what? In this video, I'm talking about the tomorrow price of the Pancakeswap. Is Pancakeswap give you profit tomorrow or loss, my friends? In this video, I will show you, my friends, on the basis of technical analysis. So keep watch this video for more details, and please, first of all, I request everyone, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, if you look the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap at this time shows 15.67 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap. Other side, if you look the price of the Pancakeswap in a BTC Bitcoin 0.00043392 USD dollar. Sorry, BTC is the Bitcoin price of the Pancakeswap at this time, my friends. That is the latest price. Other side, Pancakeswap market cap is here. 24 hours trading volume of the cake coin is here. Available supply cakes here. Total supply of the cake coin here, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price changes. You know what? For the yesterday, it is a good day of the Pancakeswap. In a yesterday, they take a good jump, but unfortunately, now the current situation, the latest last 1 hour price changes of the Pancakeswap is going negative. So that means that the price is going down in the last 60-minute by friends. But don't be disappointed. I hope that everything will be fine, my friends. Don't be disappointed by the Pancakeswap. My friends, you can see here if we do technical analysis of the Pancakeswap. So at this time, you can see here, let's suppose that is a resistance line and that is a support line. So now at this time, my friends, falls down, take a pump. Maybe, my friends, the price falls down for some time, but maybe the price falls down for 2 hours. But after 2-3 hours, the price will again pump. The price will again pump. So my friends, my recommendation is that please hold it, because tomorrow you will get profit, my friends. Tomorrow is a profit day. Thanks for watching this video, and congratulations to all cake holders. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.